creates a mess, but we don't really know how to keep it or where to keep it. Here is my savior. This is the organizer that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link below. If you see, it comes in a form of a brief or a suitcase, which you can just put like that. There's Velcro tape here, and you're good to go. Now, when it comes like this. Just fold it like that, put it in here, and you have this. So it's very easy, comfortable packaging. Let me open and show it to you. You open it like that, it gets opened up, and to ensure that it's not as flexible as this, you have this which comes like a pad. What you do is just push it down like that, and now it's sturdy, quite sturdy. These boxes are stitched on, so these are the stitches, and this area you can utilize for whatever. I usually divide my laundry stuff in 3. Obviously, first comes all the bras. You can have padded, you can have non-padded, but first one is always the bras. The second one is nothing but all your spaghettis. So if you don't wear it, you don't have to use it, but then I definitely wear them under my dress. So any kind of spaghetti. This could be one. Then I have this one right here, which is like tube or whatever. It has pads in here. So this one, and of course the last one are all your nice and sweet panties. So you have 3 things. You have 3 inners basically. Along with this, I like to also keep my face towels so that I can just find all of them in one place. And finally, I like to store my socks. So I have all of these sockses which I like to keep. Socks and towels are gonna go last in this packaging. I'm gonna try and fit all my panties, inners and bras in here. So let's get started.
Wasn't that voiceover just cute? Okay, so हम start करेंगे by rolling and putting everything together. So सबसे पहले I'm gonna put all my underwears together and I'm gonna roll them. Second, मेरे पास ज़्यादातर सारी padded bra है, इसीलिए it's easier for me to fold them and keep them together like that. और lastly, सारी spaghettis को मैं इस तरह से रखती हूँ. तो सबसे पहले बेसिकली आपने सारी चीज़ों को घड़ी करके फोल्ड करके एक साइड रखना है, और फिर उसके बाद हम उसको अंदर सेटल करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. नाउ ऑब्वियसली मैंने अंडरवेयर्स को फोल्ड इसीलिए किया था रोल करके, सो दैट वो उस बॉक्स में उस तरह से चले जाए. एंड देन माई ब्राज गो लाइक दैट. इस तरह से क्या होता है कि मुझे निकालने में आसानी होती है. एक के ऊपर एक रहेगी तो दिखेगी नहीं, इस तरह से जब होती है तो वो प्रॉपरली दिखती है. फिर जो बाकी बचे हुए बॉक्सेस है उसके अंदर मैं अपनी सारी स्पेगेटीज़ को रोल करके डालना स्टार्ट करती हूँ. एंड देन फाइनली जो बॉक्सेस बचते हैं उसके अंदर जाते हैं मेरे सॉक्स. एंड वॉइला, डन. Isn't it all looking so nice and cute and pretty? एक जगह पे रहता है, बड़ी आसानी से एक्सेस हो पाता है. And in the wardrobe it goes right there. So when you need anything, open, pick, close. Tan-ta-da!